What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Teresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series. Today, I want to talk to you about managing sales like an entrepreneur. First, analyze which products are lacking in supply. A few months after you start your business operation, you should have a good idea of which products sell more and which products sell less. Simply analyze the sales report and the sales data. If you see that a certain product is lacking in supply, meaning it always ends up as out of stock because a lot of people are buying it, then you want to increase your order of that product. Mainly because customers get dissatisfied when they want to buy something and get told that the product they want is out of stock. It affects your customer satisfaction. Next, analyze which products are excessive in supply. The next time you restock, you should order less of the items that are excessive in supply, meaning a few people are buying it. So there are always a lot of leftover in your inventory. In some cases, you may even have to remove that item from your products list altogether. It's important to note that unsold merchandise is bad for business. It will affect your sales because your investment in the unsold merchandise did not result in a profit. Your profit margins are super important, so you want to pay attention. Then reanalyze your buyer demographics for particular products. After a month or so of operation, you should start analyzing the demographic of your customers buying your products. These include the age, gender, nationality, and so on. This will help you make necessary changes. For example, if you originally anticipated that your products will sell more to people between 21 and 34, and yet your second study revealed that your buying customers are between the ages of 18 to 44, you might want to increase the scope of your advertisement and make some changes. Then update future orders according to your sales analysis. Your future orders of merchandise from suppliers should not be based on guesswork. It should be influenced by the current data, which is the sales report analysis. The idea is simple. Order more of the products that sell a lot and order less of the products that sell less. You should also determine from the sales analysis which products are seasonal. These are items that sell well only during certain months of the year, in which case you should order seasonal products only during their season. Also, you should think about acquiring supplies by consignment as much as possible. There are two ways to acquire merchandise. One, by purchasing, and two, by consignment. With consignment, you're taking possession of the products, but you're not paying for them up front. And here's the juicy part. You will only pay for the products sold. As for the unsold products, you can return them to the supplier if you want. This way, you're not absorbing the losses resulting from the unsold merchandise. It's the supplier that will be absorbing the losses. Next, you will want to limit your orders on introductory products. At some point in time, you may want to introduce new items in your product line. But don't get too excited and order too much of the new items at one time. Start with less. If everything gets sold, then try reordering more next time. And if the new item keeps showing promise, then you can start ordering more. This is a precaution that professional entrepreneurs always take. This is done to prevent possible losses arising from unsold products. Next, let's tackle upselling and cross-selling. You must upsell effectively. Upselling is a marketing technique used by entrepreneurs to help them maximize sales. This is done by offering additional related products to customers that buy from you. By example, if a customer buys a digital camera, you can offer her related products such as memory cards and tripod stands. It would be easier for them to agree for such offers because the products are related to the product they just bought. Equally important is to do cross-selling effectively. Now, cross-selling is just like upselling, but it's done by offering customers to buy more than what they purchased. But in cross-selling, you're offering a product that is not related to the one they just purchased. For instance, if the customer bought a digital camera, offering him an MP3 player is called cross-selling. This is helpful if you are selling a variety of products that are not related to each other. So you want to make sure you maximize both cross-selling and upselling. This ends our episode for today. Sales management helps the organization to achieve the sales targets efficiently. Without sales, you have no business. Master sales if you want to be successful. Join me on the next episode where we will discuss how to manage risk like an entrepreneur. Until next time, remember you are fiscally fabulous and you are worth it.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.